Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to solve this Leecode problem. The problem number is 347, top k frequent elements. So in this question, it is given a integer nums in which we need to find the most frequent element based on integer k. So if the integer k is 2, we need to find the top 2 frequent elements in this array, and we need to return that elements as an array. Okay. So in this first example, we are given the integers are 1, which has 3 occurrence, integer 2 has 2 occurrence, and 3 has only 1. So when you say I need 2 items of k, the top 2 occurrences are 1 and 2, right? Because the count is greater. So that's what we're going to return, 1 and 2. And the second one is pretty straightforward. I don't need to explain this. So let's jump into our Visual Studio and then try to solve this problem. So for convenience, what I have done is I have copy pasted the example one, and also what I have done is I have actually come up with a different example so that we could just play around and have the same answer as the first one, right? So in this example, the occurrence of 3 is 4, occurrence of 4 is 3. So when you say k is 2, we need to return 3 and 4. Okay. So for this, what I wanted to do is simple. When you have more than one occurrence in an element, what you want to do is you want to use a group by, okay? And then a group by would always follow with a dictionary and ordered by, okay? So you want to put it in a dictionary based on the key and the value. And then what you want to do is you want to order them based on your value, because your count is greater, right? So your count is 4 here, and the next count is 3, and the next count is 2. So what you could do is you could ordered by descending based on count, right? So so let's code it out. It would be basically a simple one line code. So I would just code and then I can also explain it as I go. So nums is our array dot group by, as I said, right? Group by. So when you group by them, now you will see you will have 3 items in your group by. Okay. So so now what you want to do to these 3 items, you want to put them in a dictionary of key and value pair. Okay. So the key would be x such that x dot x dot key. What is this? X such that x dot key, and then your value will be x such that x dot count. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so let's just put a breakpoint here and check what is our result right now. Okay, so it's very important to know what is in our dictionary first. So it has 3 items, as I said, right? The group by would have 3 items. So the key is this, right? So the 3 items is it has a group of 4, group of 6, and group of 3, right? So these are my key, and the value will be the count, right? So the count is the 4 has 3 occurrence, so count is 3, 2 occurrence for 6, count is 2, and 4 occurrence for 3, so the count will be 4. Okay, so this is what I want. So when I now order them in a descending order based on the value, which is my count, I would get the most occurrence. What I would get is now 4 will go up if I order them 3 and then 2, right? So that's what I want now. So the next step would be to order them based on value. Okay, so let's make this a little bit more readable, and then the next step is to order them. Dot ordered by descending, right? Oh, sorry, I put this here. It should be here. Okay, and then dot ordered by descending based on value, right? So x such that x dot value. So now or the occurrence would be the higher value, right? So it will be 3 would be on the top, 4, and then 6. Okay, and then we need to select them, right? Select x. I need to select the key now, right? X such that x dot key. Okay, let's debug, and then we would see what we have in our result. It will be a LINQ query. Okay, 3 4 6. Okay, So now that is what we want, right? So we want to do what? Take 2 on it, right? We want to do, because the k value is 2, so we have to take 2 on this, right? Select, or we can just say um, dot take uh, dot yeah, we could say like this, dot take 2. So it will take the top 2 occurrences, right? And then dot to array. So right now what do we have here? It is an IEnumerable int, right? So we need to return an array, right? So that is the reason I'm doing dot to array. Okay, here you go. So this is all I have. So let's just debug one more time and then see our result set. So I have 2 items, perfect, 3 and 4, right? So why we have 3 and 4? Because we did select key over here, okay? We ordered by the value and we select the key and we selected the top, and after that we selected the two most, take 2 would always select, like, number of items, it would select the top 2, and then we did dot to array. Okay, let's put our code in action and see if it passes the Leecode challenge. Okay, so this is my first time trying this problem. Okay, hopefully let's run our test cases first. Um, oh, compile time error. Okay, what is wrong here? Nums group by dot to dictionary. Is it nums? Yeah, it's nums. Nums dot group by dot to dictionary. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot to add the return. We need to add a return here, and let's make it a little bit easy to read. Okay, here you go. It should work. Let's try it again. Okay, all my test cases passed. So let's submit this code for the very first time. Oh, wrong answer. Okay. Oh, you see this? I have hard coded the 2. You should not hard code this. Okay, got you. This should be K. There you go. So basically, I'm saying take whatever the K value is, because we were just hard coding it. Okay, everything again passed. Let's submit it one more time. I kind of hard coded it, so that's the reason. Perfect. So I got it wrong. Now I got accepted, and my runtime is 165 milliseconds, which is reasonable. And this is just a one-line code, and I hope you understand what I did. And feel free to question anything. And thank you for watching, and have a really nice day. Thank you.